Hare Krishna. Om Jnanatim Suryanam Samashalakya Chakshurunmritam Vena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So I'll show you one image of this the position of sun. So yesterday which we discussed. It was a little confusing, but again I'll try to help you understand. Yeah. So some image I drew, not me. From so here we have. I think I'll copy just a second. So I'll share the image for you. Yeah, this is not according to dimension, so just to give an idea. Okay, see here, there is a cord connecting the axle of the wheel. Actually, here these are this Mansutra mountain is all around this Jambudvipa. It is not just at one place. So it is all around. Just to make you understand, we have written it is going all around the uh, Meru mountain. It's a circular way. You're able to understand this. And then there is there are two lines. I'll draw one more line here. I'll make it thick for you. So there is one more line from Dhruva's pole star. So this is one more line. So what happens? This is moving. This wheel is moving on Mansutra mountain, different tracks it goes. Actually, this is in this direction, but basically, this is Sumeru mountain, and this is sun, basically, sun's wheel. And the chariot will be somewhere here, connected to the axle. So, I will make another image of it, but I think you got some idea of how this position is there. Anyway. I will try another image next time, but I wanted to complete this section of our chapter. So here we have the what do you say, the position of different planets. So here 0.1 million yojanas is the sun, that is like 1 lakh miles something. So then after that 0.1, 0.1 is the uh, the distance between sun and moon. And the distance between them, there are 28 stars, which are 0.2 million yojanas. Moon is actually from Earth, if you take, it will be approximately like 0.1 million, and this is so almost from Moon to Earth will be 0.2 million yojanas. Bhumandala is where we are. So this is Sun. So basically, all the planets, na, their distance are given in the Bhagavatam according to the from the distance of sun, not from Meru. So they calculate how far the planet is from the sun, and then from Mercury. So because sun is above zero point 0.1 million yojanas, so then we can understand how far it will be from us. So we just have to add zero point 0.1 million yojanas for everything to know from where we are from our point of view. So all others are zero point 0.2 million yojanas above the each other till Saturn. So then there are 28 stars, then there is Venus, then there is Mercury, this is Buddha, Shukra, and Shani and Guru. So Shani, Guru, and then there is Saptarishis. The Saptarishis are 1.1 million above Saturn. And after that, 1.3 million yojana site is Dhruvaloka. Okay. This is all from the Bhagavatam, what is given in the translations only. I just made the chart for you to make it easy. And then there is Maharloka, which is above Dhruvaloka, which is 11.4 million yojanas. And above the 20 million yojanas is Janaloka, 80 million yojanas is Tapoloka, 120 million yojanas height is Satyaloka, and then there is covering of the universe. It will start at a distance of 26.2 million yojanas above Satyaloka. From there, the covering of the universe starts. So this is the uh, position of different locus above the earth. Okay, and now we'll come to the most important thing in today's discussion. So this is so whole from here. What I am showing, what I show you is the side view from Bhumandala, all the Saptarishis, Mars, Jupiter, and all. This is the side view. From the side, you see all the planets are situated one above the other. So here you have the Sun planet, and then there is Moon planet, then there are all the stars, so 28 stars, then there is Venus, then there is Mercury, then there is Mars, then there is Jupiter, then there is Saturn. So all these things you are seeing, then there is Dhruvaloka. Okay. Then there is Saptarishis, seven of them, Saturn. Now this is all is the what we see in the sky. This is the top view if you see. Now we will come to the proper position from this side view. This is top view. So how they look here. So now here, this is say Dhruvaloka, everybody's. Uh, so so now we know that this is all the rashis. What is it? The position of this mm, the signs, the rashis, the what is it? Zodiac signs. Okay. So zodiac signs are here. So what is zodiac signs? These are the arrangements of stars only. Like I'll show another image down. See, this is zodiac sign. You are seeing the stars here. So here there is Libra, there is Scorpio, there is so this is the shape of Sagittarius. This is the shape of Capricorn. So these are the stars there. So Aquarius is the stars in this shape. If you see, this is Aquarius, Pisces, and Aries. So it starts from Aries. So this is the first one. So it goes all the way like this. So this is the position of the stars when you see in the sky up above. And now you form them a shape. So now what happens is, so these are the shapes. So all the shapes, Aries, Pisces, Aquarius. So and then there are months connected to it. Now Margasisha, Pushya, and now Kartika, Ashwini. So these are the months connected to these what do you say rashis. That anyway, that is because of the moon. We will not discuss that. Now you see here is Capricorn is there, and the Mars planet is at this is the what do you say the lord of this what do you say this zodiac sign. So Mars, and then there is Venus, Mercury, Moon, Sun. So these are the positions of This whole is called Kala Chakra. So if you see in the sky, these are the position of the planets, and this is the position of the zodiac. So like Jupiter is in two places, so it is the lord of it. So and then there is Mars. And further you go, you are seeing small names here. You are seeing now there are 27 stars. So 27 stars are divided like this. So each has some four parts. One, two, three, four. Five. So each zodiac sign has nine sections. And based on that, the calculation comes. So you are born, say, at particular time, say 2 p.m. So then they will see, okay, you are now, where is the moon? Moon is in Aries. So your Lagna is Aries. And where is moon near to which star? So these are the two stars that are there in the Aries. And in that also there are few sections. So now if your moon is say here at this position, so then it is Aries, but the star is uh, Kritika. So then you are in Iris, and then that is Vishaka. So Aries and Kritika Nakshatra. So that will be your position. So how they calculate based on this position. So basically, I am trying to show you that no need to go so much detail. If you want, you can do it. But basically, I am trying to give you the position of the Sun, Moon, Mercury, and the zodiac signs, how they are connected to each other, where is which one. So which zodiac sign matches with which planet, and then which are the stars there. So this is how the calculation happens, and based on that they will predict your swabhava, your nature, and what is going to happen, everything, and good, bad, and everything, evil. So these planets, because they are all personalities, so every personality have different nature, so that indicate, they indicate our nature. So if your Mars is there in your Lagna, so then you will be a very angry person, short tempered person, like that. So they will predict like that. So basically I'm trying to give you this Kala Chakra, how it happens. So the position, from the top, it is like this. So these are the stars, and then there are planets at different position, and then they calculate. So that's how it happens. And now we'll come to the moon position. So these two, the sun's movements are given, planets positions are given, and then next is the movement of moon is given. So this one is the little uh, tricky one, but we will try to understand. So see, this is the zodiac movement. So this is, so I told you this whole zodiac moves like a belt. They are all together. Where are other planets? Now this 28 uh, in this zodiac, this is zodiac. All of them move at the same speed. So by the time they move from this point to this point, say from here, this is the one A, and by the time it completes one circle, they go in clockwise direction. So it takes all complete 1 year. So this is the standard. They always take the same time, 1 year. But where are other planets? So other planets, they move at a different speeds. All other planets, which I showed the about all these planets, na, this all till here, after till Saptarishi, everybody moves. Only Dhruva does not move, and all are like higher planets. They are fixed. They don't move. Till Dhruva, from Sun to Dhruva, all of them they circumambulate around Dhruva. So all of them they move from here to here. Okay, so they all move around Dhruva. Okay, so in this, the movement of this zodiac stars, which are there at some part between sun and moon. So this is the where all the stars are there. So between sun and moon. So they form a belt. And when they move, this is the belt that I am showing you here. When they move, they take 1 year. But where are other planets, Mona? They move at different speeds. So because the speeds are varying, their position also changes. So now we will come to this movement of moon, how it happens, movement of sun and moon, how it happens. Say now the zodiac belt is moving. So I told na, it takes exactly 1 year. If you take zodiac belt as A, sun as S, and moon as M. Okay. So now 1 year happened. 1 year happened. Zodiac went all around and came back and say 1 year, A1. After A1, zodiac is again here only. It completed 1 year. But sun, it it goes little slow. So it went 1 degree back. So here it took 360 days. 360 degrees are completed for zodiac. But sun, it completed only 359. So it goes 1 degree back. By 1 year, zodiac completed, but sun is lagging. So it goes the what do you say the movement of sun. It is -1. S1 is here. The sun is 1 degree lagging, but moon is lagging by 13 degrees. M1 is here, na? It is lagging by 13 degrees. Okay. So this is at the end of 1 year. Sorry, at the end of 1 day. So the sun moves, zodiac is actually moving 1 degree and sun completed one round. Okay, I will explain here. This is zodiac. Zodiac moves 1 degree every day. Okay. So today it is here, tomorrow here. So it is just moving one degree. And sun, it is completing whole circle in 1 day. By the time sun comes here, zodiac just moved 1 degree. And again, sun comes to the same point, zodiac moves 2 degrees. You're understanding? So every day it is, you will see that sun is moving backwards in the zodiac. So today it is, today Aries here, and tomorrow Aquarius here, tomorrow Pisces here. So now this is going, moving in this direction. So what happened? Sun is always here. So sun went and came back. So today it was in Aries. But by the time sun moves and comes back to the same place tomorrow, it Aquarius came. So I will just make it a little more easy for you. Say sun went and came 1 day. Okay. So here it was, today it was Aries. And again sun came in the second day. It went and came back here. But what happened? This zodiac is moving, na? So again the second day Pisces came. And again sun went and came. Then Aquarius. So third day, second day. Sun is coming here, but zodiac is moving. So this place is coming here and this is going down, 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 down. So every day 1 degree. So sun is at the same, it is going and coming back. But because the zodiac is moving, so it looks like sun is going 1 degree backwards on the zodiac sign. You are understanding? So today in Aries, so zodiac is moving like this. Sun's movements are back, even though it is going straight only, because the zodiac is also moving. So it looks like Sun is in this Aries now, but tomorrow it is not in Aries. It is somewhere going towards Pisces, and day after tomorrow it is more going back. It is going to Aquarius. So even the zodiac here, if you see the position of this, so Aries is there. Okay, after Aries is Taurus. So Aries is going in the front, and Sun is at the same position. It is coming back here again. But by the time it comes here, this zodiac is moving ahead. So now in place of Aries comes Taurus. Again, Sun came third day. In period of Taurus, it comes Gemini. Your understanding. So after that, again fourth day, of course it will take 30 days to come here. So after say 30 days, another 30 days, another 30 days. So every 30 days, then the comes Cancer. Your understanding. So every time the sun completes 30 days, this is moving up, 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 up. So it looks like the sun is going backward in zodiac. So in the zodiac signs, even though it is going faster than the zodiac, because the zodiac is also moving, it goes like, okay, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Sun is going in Aries is there, then it is in Taurus, then it is in Gemini, then it is Cancer, then Leo, then it is Virgo. So sun is going in this direction. The zodiac is going up. But what is happening is by the sun is always in the same position. Sun is here only. Because the zodiac is moving, it looks like it is going backward. Okay. Now we'll see how so this is here how it is. So every day sun goes 1 degree back in the zodiac. Moon goes 13 degrees back in zodiac. That means it goes more faster than sun. So it goes 13 degree back. By the time, say if sun goes 15 degrees back after 15 days, this is 15 days. This is 1 day. Okay. So after 15 days, that means how much moon will go? 13 into 15 days, 195 degrees. So moon will be here and sun will be here after 15 days, because it is going every day 13, 13, 13 degrees. By the time moon comes 15 days, moon is at this position of zodiac. And then if you take 30 days, in 30 days, 30 into 50, 30 into 13 is 390. So the sun after 30 days, it will end one zodiac sign. So every zodiac has 30 days because it is 12 parts, right? So every zodiac sign has 30 days. So by the time sun completes one zodiac sign, moon also comes to the same point. It will also complete 390 degrees. It will also come to the same position. So every month, sun and moon meet together. Again, by the time sun goes to the next zodiac sign, moon also completes. It goes more faster. So just the sun travels from one zodiac to another, moon had traveled all the zodiac signs and reached here. Again, by the sun reaches to the next zodiac, moon already traveled all the zodiac signs. So what happened? Moon was actually staying in more with Rohini star all the time. So then actually all the stars, now there are 28 stars. In that one is male, who is Abhijit, and all 27 are female, who are married to moon god, married to moon. So it was mostly staying with Rohini. Then all of them complained. So then he agreed to travel. So all the stars I showed now, every year in the previous chart, I have shown you the stars here. So these are the 27 stars, the names are written here. So they are in the zodiac like this. So moon every day in a month, in 30 days, he will go to all his wives. All the 27 wives, he will go and come back. So that's why it is every month it is traveling so fast. And the sun just goes from one Rasi to another in 1 month. The sun is going from just 30 days only one Rasi, but moon is traveling all the Rasis in 1 month. So that is the difference. So here you are able to see the calculations which I made for you. In the Kala Chakra, this is all Kala Chakra only. The movement of S is the movement of sun, M is the movement of moon. Clear? It is little. Uh, so this is moon here. This is moon. So moon here. So this is the movement of moon. And then we have sun. Okay, now we will take questions. Yes, Priya Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandar pranams to you. First of all, sincere thanks and grateful to you for taking so much of time and efforts to make us understand. Unfortunately, small brains like me still have questions. I'm sorry about it. Prabhuji, two questions, Prabhuji. Those 27 nakshatras, the wives of moon god, they are positioned in the time wheel, but you said their houses, whatever the houses is, divided into four parts. I mean, I didn't understand that. Four, why four, Prabhuji? What is the significance behind it?
So every star,
Huh.
they divide every star into 4 parts.
Huh.
So each zodiac sign has 9 parts. Each zodiac sign, like you have here Aquarius, it has 9 parts. So it has 9 parts, and in that there will be and each star has 4 parts. Means they are divided into 4 parts each star, and each zodiac has 9 parts. So now that means in each zodiac there will be 2 stars plus 1 part of the third star.
That's a question. Why 9 and 4 was the question? I didn't understand. Any significance behind that 9 and 4?
27 into 4 is equal to 108. Means that is how they are divided. So 9 and 4, I don't know why they divide, but that's how they calculate. That is the moment they calculate of the stars. So they say each star has, so each star they give 4 parts. I don't know why they are making it
Because
that
that has a
that
major impact in the drawing the chart of the Jivatma.
Jivatma.
Because
Yeah.
even one house in the next thing, the Rashi is completely different. Or the star can
Starting
be
is different, the
completely
star is
different.
also different. Now is Rohini
So,
Nakshatra. So Rohini
yeah, that's why,
Nakshatra is for, yeah.
yeah, there could be something behind those division by 9 and 4. Anyways, that's one thing, Prabhuji. Second question I was having was, we all draw the charts, the astrological charts based on the lunar, not on the solar. Like,
Yeah.
because sun is also moving around the zodiac belt. Similarly, the moon is also moving around the zodiac belt. But why is that astrology charts are drawn based on the position of the moon and not the sun? Sorry for
Because moon,
my...
moon represents mind, and we are our mind only. So who are we? We are mind only. Now, whatever you are thinking, whatever your desires,
Oh,
whatever your thought process is mind only.
oh, we
So
are
that means
driven
what is
by
my
the mind.
personality?
Okay.
My personality is represented by mind because it is representing mind, manas. Mm.
Excellent,
That is it.
excellent. Yeah, so from the bodily perspective, the element, the main element is manas, mind.
Manas.
So
Yeah.
everything, all our actions are based on the mind, the thoughts,
All our
right? That's
sanskaras are there in mind only.
got it, got it. Excellent. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Last one question. If you find it really nonsensical, please ignore. Uh, we are like, in Bharatavarsha, the Bharatakanda A. So all these aspects of the movements of sun and moon, the zodiac belt, everything is relevant only for the people or the inhabitants of Bharatakanda only. And Kali Yuga is also happening only for the Bharatakanda inhabitants, the influence of Kali Yuga. I mean, am I right in understanding so far?
No, the zodiac will affect everyone. All over the creation, the effect will be there. Kali Yuga
Okay.
is for us, but zodiac signs and their positions definitely is affecting all the living entities in the creation. It is
But
not only
like,
for.
when you say impact, it will not have an impact per se. They might have, I mean, there's no question of effect because they're all Sukha Bhoga planetary systems. The Jivatmas in all other Varshas and the Kandas other than Bharata Kanda, the inhabitants are only for Sukha Bhogis, not for Karma Bhogis, right? So, in what way they can influence Prabhuji? I mean, just
So
a
give
thought.
sukha, it will influence.
Only
No,
for
they give
Sukha.
sukha only. So their influence is given.
Hare Krishna, I
If
lost you,
somebody is going
Prabhuji.
to heavenly planet,
Okay.
no, if somebody is going to heaven, so
Huh.
then it is all sukha only. So the influence is sukha there. So there is influence, but it is all giving pleasure.
But the time span of the inhabitant living in other, what do you call, say, for example, upper planetary systems is completely different to the span of a day. The measurement of a day, what we call a day in earthly planet, is different to what we call a day in other Varshas and other planetary systems, right?
Yeah.
So, how does this really work? I mean, that was something it was running throughout my mind. So, please help me clarify, Prabhuji. Sorry about it again. Sorry about this question
So
again.
upper planetary system, now the
Huh.
time span is that will go very slow. So there millions of so their 1 year will be like for us 360 years. And same thing down you go in heaven, hellish planets, people will say millions of years, but in Earth it will be 3-4 years only. In 3-4 years of earthly planet will be millions of years in the hellish planets. So
Yeah, that's
more
what.
you
How
go
is it
down,
determined? See, for us, 24 hours split into 12-day and 12-hour day and 12-hour night. We see this sunset, sunrise. I mean, from that perspective, like sun definitely is not rising and setting. It is just that from our perspective, from the place where we are able to see the visibility of the sun and the otherwise. So that is what defines a day for us in Bharatakanda. So, from the other planetary systems perspective, how is that they determine a day and the moon? If it is because the movement of the sun and the moon happens the same way as we understand revolving around the zodiac belt. There absolutely no change when they move to the upper planetary systems. Like it's going very slow. That it takes. I mean, nothing like that because the speed of the sun and the moon is determined already, right? So this is what something I was not able to understand because the span of a day is completely different to ours and theirs. So how is that they determine completion of a day, completion of a night? Brahmaji, we understand there's no sun, moon, they have their own measurement criteria. But Swargaloka planets,
yeah,
Prabhuji?
because it is a relative motion of sun because these planets are moving. So
Okay.
their movement and sun, our Earth is fixed. So sun completes one day, it will complete one rotation. But for the
Right.
heavenly planets, if you take even Meru mountain, there is no day and night. It's all day only because always the
Absolutely.
sun is there on the top. So their
Very true.
calculation of day and night may not be the way we have day and night
Okay.
because the sun is there. It is always daytime only on Meru mountain. So in other
Right.
planetary systems, we don't know how the effect of sun is there on that. Only it will give that brightness, that lighting will come from the sun. But whether they
Okay.
have day and night, it is not sure. And how much it will be day and night, it is not. At least I did not read. Maybe some other shastras it will be there, but their position we don't know. How
Okay.
it is connected to sun,
Okay.
what is the day and night for them. Means they
Okay.
have long, that's why their lifespan is long, because it is they don't have effect from the so much of sun. I think there's different calculation. I don't think.
Looks like that predominantly the impact and the effects of all these planetary movements, zodiac movements is all only meant for the Bharatakanda inhabitants, the way it is planned.
Now, what is given to us, the calculations and all, it is for us only. What we can
Mm.
see, that will
Right,
affect us that much only.
right,
But
right.
for heavenly planets and all, it will be different. But there will be some effect. It is good effect, so that they'll enjoy.
Hmm. Hmm. And the Srimad Bhagavatam, the one we have right now, the scripture is mainly meant only for Bharatakanda because other portions definitely have no relevance for them. And they must be having a different scripture altogether for the devotees out there.
Uh-huh.
Right,
Because
Prabhuji?
yes, yes, because they also, when they're like Daksha is doing yajna and all, they are not
Hmm.
doing an Bharatakanda on our earth. They are doing it in different planets. So
Yeah,
when they
I
are doing,
understand.
they will
For the
also look at
Himalaya.
good timing, good place, everything they are calculating and doing.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
so that
Hmm.
means they have some calculations they are doing according to that.
Right, right, right. Excellent. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for the clarity. And
Right.
excuse me again and again. Hare Krishna.
Rupani Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, that has been So, Prabhuji, sun takes 1 day to revolve around this Meru mountain. And this
Yes.
zodiac bells, they are also, everything is moving in the clockwise direction only, no, Prabhuji?
Zodiac moves 1 degree in 1 day.
That's what, clockwise only.
All are in clockwise. All the planets, everything is clockwise.
Moon takes how much time, Prabhuji, to move around?
Mo- Moon takes
One
less
year.
than 1 day. It takes 23 hours, something, 22 or something. It takes less than 1 day to complete. That's why it is
Oh,
13 degrees
moon.
lagging behind. Now, that's why it is going 13 degrees. So this diagram
Okay.
is showing that only. Why I
Uh,
showed this
um,
diagram is, if you see here, it is 13 degrees behind, but sun is only 1 degree. That means by the time moon moves,
okay.
the zodiac is just uh, the zodiac is very slowly going. It is very slow, so that's why moon goes fast. By the time moon completes, and again it goes ahead also. So it is that's why moon's movement is always faster than sun.
Oh, okay. And you said Prabhuji moon stays in one that star for 2.5 days, right, Prabhuji?
Actually, this is correct. I forgot to explain this. So in each zodiac, na, moon stays 2.5 days, whereas
Ah,
sun
ah,
goes for 30 days.
Oh, each zodiac it is Prabhuji.
Each zodiac. In each Rasi, moon stays for 2 days, 2.15 days, not even 2.5 also. It's like 2 days only.
Oh, okay, okay. So that is what they usually write, no, Prabhuji, that Chandrashtamam. That is what that denotes, Prabhuji, 2.15 day in particular Rashi.
Yeah, yeah.
That is, they call it as Chandrashtamam, Prabhuji, because they say don't do any good work, do practice more on, do devotional service, something like that. These astrologers say in the TV. My mother used to watch
Based
that.
on the position of moon, where it is.
Okay. Um, in one star, actually in one Rasi, there are three, four stars, Prabhuji,
Two,
combined together.
two
Three
or
stars,
three.
yes. They say
One.
one padam, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, they say, no, Prabhuji.
Pada 1 to 3 is what I showed here, because there
Ah,
are four padas for each star.
yes, Prabhuji.
Because this is like that pada is what is dividing. So now
Ah,
if you have
ah,
this fourth pada, third pada is based on this division I have written in the moon here. If you see
okay,
here, I have shown here moon. So
okay,
this moon is in which pada? So there are 9 parts for each Rashi,
okay.
and each star has 4 parts. So for
Hmm.
9 parts means two stars of one, 2 stars plus 1 part of the third
One
star.
part. Yes, yes,
Uh,
Prabhuji.
So
So that is
like that,
based on the position of the moon they are calculating.
So yes.
It is like
So for
that.
the next star, now here one part of the star is over. Now we have three parts remaining of this. Three parts of
Ah,
this star, four parts of this star, and then
okay.
two parts of this star. So like that, it is
Ah,
nine. So
yes,
we have
yes.
two parts of this star, and then four of this, and then like that two of one of this. So like that, it will be divided. All the stars sizes are divided.
Okay. Prabhuji, even this zodiac's also group of stars only, Prabhuji.
Zodiac. This diagram I am showing. Na, here, this is
Ah,
the
that's what I thought.
group.
That is also group of stars only, Prabhuji.
Group of stars only.
But they are saying it as zodiac.
Because it moves in a belt form.
But stars
They
are
are, they
also
all go
stars. They have
together. They all go
what
together.
Prabhuji?
It's like a belt. They all go together only. It takes all
Together.
one minute.
Okay.
Others are moving at different speeds. But in zodiac, this all stars move together.
Together. Okay. What about the 27 stars? They are moving differently, Prabhuji. They are also stars only.
They are also stars in this. They are also fixed within the zodiac. They are at the same speed of zodiac. They are fixed in zodiac. Here like this. 27 are
Oh, they
within the
are all
zodiac.
fixed in the zodiac only.
Within the zodiac.
But they are different, separate stars. The 27 stars are.
27. Actually, 28. One is Abhijit Nakshatra. This
Uh-huh.
is like male. All remaining are the female.
Okay.
So Abhijit is Lord Vishnu. Is his nakshatra. That is his. So any activity you do in Abhijit Muhurta, it is success.
Oh, that is Rogini Nakshatra, Prabhuji.
No, no. Abhijit is Rohini is one of the wives of Moon. It is 27 nakshatras is Rohini.
Oh,
So
okay. So, but
previously Moon used to be always with Rohini. Then other stars complained. So then Moon, every month he completes one round of the zodiac.
mm,
In 30 days, he goes to all the wives and comes back. So every month he's there with one wife for few days, and
okay.
then he will complete 27 wives. He's all completing in 1 month.
Abhijit star, you're talking about Prabhuji.
No, no, Moon. I am talking. Moon is going to all the zodiac. I told us Moon is traveling.
Ah,
1 month it will travel all the stars and come back. So every month it will go all around the zodiac. All the stars it will complete. All the rasis it will complete.
okay. So moon takes 1 month to complete the one round, Prabhuji. It takes 1 month.
Uh, uh,
Okay.
Sun takes 1 year to complete. Moon takes 1 month to complete.
Yeah. Sun 1 day and moon 1 month. Okay. So no, Abhijit, you are talking about Abhijit star, no, Prabhuji. So, but moon only you are saying it completes all the stars in 1 month. Abhijit is also a male star, but he only marries all the other 27 stars. Like, no, Prabhuji, that's what you
No,
said,
no,
right?
Moon marries all the 27 stars.
Oh, what about Abhijit? What is that, Prabhuji? He said
Abhijit
you
is a
said it is
male. Why
Vishnu.
he will marry Moon? It is
No,
Krishna.
no, no. About other stars I'm talking. Abhijit is also a star, but that is Vishnu. That represents Vishnu. Right, Prabhuji?
Yes,
Okay. But other 27 stars, moon marries other 27 stars.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. But what is the significance of this particular Abhijit star,
So
Prabhuji?
this is
It
a
is there
star.
given in that star also, in the star belt. It is the given, Prabhuji.
So Abhijit is it has a very short time, and that is midnight
Okay.
at 12 p.m. midnight. It is where the star is there
Oh,
for
that is why
few.
very rarely a child is born and midnight 12 correctly, exactly, right, no, Prabhuji?
So
That
somebody
time.
like India, but India when India was supposed to declare independence, that was a
Uh,
very wrong time, 14th of August and 15th of August. So both are
mm-hmm.
wrong days. So Britishers say if you don't accept independence either 14th or 15th, then we'll not give you. So
Uh,
then Nehru asked the astrologers what to be done. We don't have good time this. Then they tell, okay, you declare it 12 o'clock midnight.
oh,
That is the Abhijit Nakshatra. So then
oh,
there was a parliament meeting, whole night it went. At 12 o'clock, Nehru announced, okay, now Britishers, we are independent country. So he declared it Abhijit Muhurta. And because of
oh,
which we got saved. Otherwise, India would have been like Pakistan,
oh my God.
completely ruined. So
So much is
Pakistan, they
involved in
just they declared on 14th. It was not a good time. So that's why you see the
oh,
country's position and you see India's position. Because
they are
Nehru did
disturbing
one good
always
thing.
us, no, Prabhuji. They are always disturbing us, no, even in spite of that.
No,
Okay,
they
so no.
themselves are not able to develop. Ma. The
Okay,
disturbance is the
okay.
different part. But
Okay.
personally, they are not able to progress. But India is able to
Okay.
progress because of this. Nehru consulted astrologers and they choose Abhijit Muhurta to declare our independence. So we are able to
Yeah.
progress.
Very nice, Prabhuji. Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. All for your wonderful explanation of this cosmology. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dandavat.
So thank you all very much. I also don't have much knowledge about this, whatever basic thing. This is all what is there in Bhagavatam. We have to read. That's why I'm doing. Yes, Priya Mataji, you have some question?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Sorry, I missed out two questions. One is that we have seen that Shishumara form, wherein all the stars
Tomorrow
in
I
the
will
planet
explain that,
are.
Mataji. Tomorrow, that is the next chapter. I didn't go that.
Oh,
I will.
okay, okay. Perfect, perfect. Now we understand that 108 is so significant because even in our planetary systems, also 108 is linked or aligned, be it 108 paths, the
Yeah.
nakshatras getting to 108, the zodiac system again kind of coming to 108. There must be something for 108 then, right, Prabhuji? Very, very significant, the
Yes,
number.
yes, 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 yes.
So give
Definitely.
us some insight about that 108 because everywhere, entire universe, 108 is prevailing everywhere. Let us know that, Prabhuji.
Yeah, there are
Once
many,
we,
many things connected to 108 because one is representing the Supreme Lord, zero is the material nature, eight is the living entity with all the eight elements, and 108 also represents the number of breaths we take in 12 hours is 108 into 1000. That many breaths we take in 12 hours.
Mhm,
So, and 108 also is representing infinity. So that
mhm,
is, if you want to chant names of, if you go to any of the chanting of any demigod or any, not even demigod, any lords, you say Ashtotra, Shatanamavali.
mhm,
So
mhm,
108 times you are chanting means you are chanting infinite number of times. So the infinity is represented by 108.
mhm,
And so that is one more understanding of 108. And
mhm,
yeah, a few things like that are there about it. Talks about infinity, it talks about living entity, Lord, and material nature. It is about the how much breath a living entity takes. Everything is connected to 108.
mhm.
Something which I know.
Fine, Prabhuji. Thank you. Thank you again. Hare Krishna.
Yes.